Hello everyone, so for today I will show you how to complete my midterm exam for database. Whether you're using PHP MyAdmin, MySQL Workbench, or the command line. First, let's create our database. We'll name it Midterm IM Lab just as the instructions say. Then we'll make a table called Midgrades which will store student information, exam details, and scores. Now, let's add some sample data. You can use your own and your classmates' data. I add a few rows so we have something to work with in the next section. You can add more rows based on your data. Try to include different scores, subjects, and year level to see how two queries behave. So, average score per subject. Next, this first query will show us the average score for all student group by subject. Next, we'll count how many student scores more than 75 in the subject of our choice. I'll use math for this example. This query will tell us how many exams were taken in the past 5 months. We'll use the date sub function to calculate the based on the current date. If you're using sample data from early months, make sure the exam dates are recent enough or adjust the interval to test this properly. Lastly, for this task, we want to show a student in first year who scored more than 80 in any subject. For this final task, we'll calculate the average score per subject only if there are at least 10 students in that subject. The having clause help us filter group results. And that's it. You've now seen how to set up your database inserting data and perform all required SQL queries for your exam. Thank you for watching.